Hello, my luxurious ladies. Welcome to my channel. I'm Lulu, and here we talk all things luxury, specifically my two absolute obsessions, high heels and handbags. From iconic Christian Louboutin red bottoms to timeless Louis Vuitton bags, this is your go-to spot for luxury shopping, styling tips, and everything in between. If you're as obsessed with gorgeous designer pieces as I am, you're in the right place. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join me on this fabulous fashion journey. Let's dive in. Today, we are going to talk all about the Takashi Murakami collection. Actually, you know what? Scratch that. We're not going to spend too much time talking about it, just a little bit. What I want to talk about is this cute little bow that they have on the Takashi bags and what we can do to get one ourselves. So I have this one here. I'm gonna just kind of hold that up so you can see, but it's such a cute little little charm that you could put right onto your bag. So cute. And I actually made this. All right, so here are the items that we're going to be using today. I have my lock from my Speedy 25, my keys from my Speedy 25. This is a leatherette key ring or bag charm that I got from Amazon. And then this is also a little key charm that I got from Amazon. It's called a leather vachetta D-ring. So I will link these all in the description so that you can easily pick these up. Okay, so let me show you how to put the items together. The first thing that we're going to do is you're going to take this little D-ring here and you're going to just fold it in half and close it. What I try to do first, now this is going to be what holds your lock. What I tried to do first was like fit it in here and close it over. No, don't do that. Do not do that. Just close this up and that will be step number one. Okay, so you see that we now have this closed. We have our lock ready to go and our keys ready to go. I'm going to show you what to do with your keys. Your leatherette key charm is going to just come like this. So the first thing you're going to do is slide your keys onto the very end of it, the small side, and then you're going to put the leatherette through the opening here. And this is just going to thread your keys onto the bottom of the key holder. And that's what this little pouch is for. This is your key holder. So we're going to thread this through, starting with the bigger side. And we didn't talk about this step, but one thing that you can do if you don't want to hang your key and your lock together, maybe you want to have your keypad on hanging one place and you want to have your lock hanging on another place, you don't want them together, you could get a separate hook from Amazon, something like this, and hook that onto your lock pad. That way you can thread your keys on one handle and your lock on another. Or maybe you thread them both and you hang them like this, so they're kind of dangling together, instead of together how I'm going to show you. So this is option number one, and this is how I prefer to do it. So we're going to take our keys out and open up our lock. Just going to pull those back through. Now that that's open, I'm going to take my lock and thread it through. Now, depending on which way you turn your lock, my lock is number 302. I don't know if you can see that or not. Everybody's number is different, I think. Let me know in the comments, but I think that's true. So 302. You can decide if you want it to say Louis Vuitton Paris, or if you flip it the other way, you can just have the LV. I like just the LV, so I'm going to close it like that. Okay, so see what I mean here? If I were to put a little D-ring on there, I could actually open this up and hang this by itself. and then have my keys somewhere else. But I love how it looked on the new multicolor collection with the bag, with the big bow, the lock, and then the keys hanging. And I just thought that this was such a cute, similar look. I just had to share. So now that we've put it all together, you can just put this right onto your bag. How cute is that? The whole little set together with the big heart, bag charm. Is it too much? Let me know what you think. I think it's just enough. I like it. I think that's so cute. But you let me know what you think. Would this be too much for you carrying this around on your arm? Or is it just the right amount of bling? I have the scarves on there just to cover the vachetta from my Speedy because I live in the Pacific Northwest and it rains so much here. So the vachetta needs to always be protected. So I get these nice little scarves to tie around from the Louis Vuitton store. But I just love the way the charms look on here. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know if you try to do this too. I'll link the supplies that I used in the comments below. How cute, right? One thing that I wanted to show quickly about this charm is how nicely it matches the vachetta that is on Louis Vuitton. So it looks exactly the same. So here's my Louis Vuitton strap from my actual bag, and you can see the two are like almost the exact same colors. They're also both a nice waxy finish. It looks the same. Now I'm going to show you another strap that I got from Amazon that it's just too red and too waxy looking. So if I compare the two, do you see the difference? So this is the no-no one. This is the one we want to make sure we avoid. So again, make sure you get the one that I linked in the description box because you don't want to end up with the wrong vachetta and then have it looking just like cheap. This looks so nice. This looks just like the Louis Vuitton vachetta. It has the yellow stitching and the same color waxing on the side. So again, make sure you get the one that I linked in the description box and not this bright colored red with the stitching in the middle. This doesn't look as good as this one does. So get the one that I link in the description. For real. I'm doing you a favor. Looks way better.